MLA ka TMC Baderu Menteri Ramba Barem Kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai lupa ba kabanta jeng Seng Riewlum kanong kababahan Nangne Shakhmat ha partai politics kari India. Haba kren minta kasi ka apply tere kunailan ajawab saw Dr. Mukul ulaang baki election MP kabalang shidapshen kalapini syai baki Seng National Party ki hapan kongo ha ki Seng sign partai jong ki jala prepare kari India. Ka BJP kelakop Punjab South pa kumjo ka Congress krekren kop Henry karai jong paiba kari kelalong da kampong ka Congress ba ka BJP kila hap pensianya ha ki Seng trairi jong ki jala bepe kari India kat kum ka jing ang Dr. Mukul Nangne Shakhmat as pangut ki MP ki Bandung Syaka Parliament onde na ki Seng trairi jong ki jala bepe pat ka Congress ne ka BJP kimla ashu ban lekli maroi Dr. Mukul ubala dan haka Congress dak postname kibla let ulami no hau aja apuar pandit yaso baka TMC ringkat berkiwai part ki MLA.
See, I will tell you about the national political scenario that has unfolded and are bound to unfold in the years to come. You have seen the recent parliamentary election. BJP, East Bar, 400 Par, all kinds of, rhetorics from all parties. Then, so also the Indian National Congress. But I think we are all witness to this whole political, I must say, the verdict that came from the people across the country. The whole political dynamics in the country have changed, The BJP's march towards crossing 300 mark was halted by none other than the regional parties across the country. Okay. Similarly, same thing happened to Congress because of the respective domains where the regional parties have guarded their own respective turf. Congress also could not cross 99. So the overall scenario, at a national level, in as far as the political scenario is concerned, is that now and in the years to come, there will be more than 200 seats out of the 543 seats in the Lok Sabha, which will be with the regional parties. So what is the balance left? It will be 300 to 350, That will be the seats available for the national parties, both BJP and Congress. Rest will be within the control of the regional parties who have demonstrated their strength and resolve to protect their turf and domain. And this is good for the country because in our given system, a democratic system where we take pride in the federal structure, it is good. You know why I'm saying it is good? Because the usual tendency of every national political party to be dictatorial in their approach, cannot happen. They have a realization that that whole so-called big brotherly attitude of the national parties can no longer be, the order of the day. It is good for the nation because today the states have to be able to stand firm and ensure that the voices of the parties who represent the interests of the people of different parts of the country in the huge diversity that we have is appropriately articulated and heard. It doesn't fall on deaf ears. Today it is not going to fall on deaf ears. You will see that national parties are responsive. That tendency to have the dictatorial attitude, I think it is slowly disappearing. Isn't it good? So this is what is going to happen in this whole country.